Hey guys, kumusta? Kumusta? So ngayon is Thursday, no? Uh, Date is January 25, 2024. So doon sa makakapanood ng video na to, siguro merong mga first time pa lang ako makita or first time pa lang ako mapanood. And meron dito, matagal na rin ako napapanood, okay? So, a while back, may nag-comment sa akin, sabi, palagi mo na sinasabi na mag-prepare, wala naman nangyayari. Okay? O, so ito, sabihin ko ulit, paano kung sinabihan ko kayo na, oy, simulan nyo ng mag-ipon ng tubig, or mag-ipon ng mga flashlights, ng mga battery, or some sort of radio for communication, just in case na hindi gumana yung mga cellphones nyo. Anong sasagot nyo sa akin? Anong sasagot nyo? By the way, depende kung nasaan kayo, no? Iba regulated ang paggamit ng mga radios. Okay, so know the law. Okay? So, ano sasabihin nyo? So, I'm sure meron dito sasabihin na, wala yan, wala yan. Palagi mo na sinasabi mag-prepare, wala naman nangyayari. No, hindi tayo nagdadasal na may mangyari, no? Pero and hindi rin natin alam kung kailan may mangyayari. But it will give us a better chance kung prepared tayo kaysa hindi. O yun yan, no? So ako, ordinaryong tao, sinabihan kayo, anong gagawin nyo? Pero, okay, ito kung sa akin hindi kayo naniwala, paano kung ang nagsabi is isang high-ranking general ng NATO. NATO, NATO. Pakinggan natin.
To have water, you need to have a radio on batteries, and you need to have a flashlight on batteries to make sure that you can survive the first 36 hours. Things like that. That's simple things. But it starts there. The realization that not everything is plannable, not everything is going to be honky-dory in the next 20 years.
May mangyayari.
I'm not saying it is going wrong tomorrow,
Hindi na masabi bukas
but we
daw.
have to realize it's not a given that we are in peace.
Okay, yun, medyo
That's why
nakakatakot
we
yun.
have the plan.
Nakakatakot yung sinabi niya yung it's given daw na we are not at peace. So if we are not at peace, we are at war. Yun lang yun Diba? So yun nga, kung sa akin hindi kayo nakikinig, paano yan? General ng NATO. Hindi pa rin kayo makikinig. Hindi ko na alam kung sino pakikinggan nyo. Diba? Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba yung gusto ko sabihin? Meron pa akong gusto sabihin. Doon sa mga nagsasabi na, ay sir, wala kaming pera, pambili ng ganyan. Tubig. Siguro makapag-ipon ka na tubig. Maghanap ka dyan ng mga water container, ipunin mo. And I'm sure, hindi niya sinabi mag-ipon ng bala at baril. I'm sure ako. Bakit? Kasi NATO, majority ng mga members niyan sa Europe, di ba? Hindi allowed magmay-ari ng baril. So, hindi niya sasabihin yon. Pero it's a given dahil sinabi niya nga, we are not at peace. Okay? Then we are at war. Possible war. Na may parating. So, automatic na firearms. Kung meron kayo or kung allowed kayo. Automatic yan. Okay? Hindi yan lang sinabi. Yan tayo. Baka gusto nyo makita. Yan po ang pronouncement ng high-ranking.
That's why we are preparing for a conflict with Russia and the terror groups, if it comes to it, if they attack us. We're not seeking any conflict. But if they attack us, we have to be ready. You need to have water, you need to have a radio on batteries, and you need to have a flashlight on batteries to make sure that you can survive the first 36 hours. Things like that. That's simple things. But it starts there. The realization that not everything is plannable, not everything is going to be honky-dory in the next 20 years. I'm not saying it is going wrong tomorrow, but we have to realize, given that we are in peace.
Nakita niyo yung pangalan
That's
niya?
why we have the plans. That's why
General Chris Badja. Ano ba yan? Yan yung pangalan niya. Research nyo na lang. Pero, totoo to, no? Totoo. Yan. General yan ng NATO. So, again, babalik ko yung question. Kung ako sinasabi ko kayo sa inyo na mag-prepare, dati pa, hindi kayo nakikinig. Eto, general ng NATO na nagsasabi mag-prepare. Kung hindi pa kayo makinig sa kanya, kanino kayo makikinig? No? He knows something we don't know. Alam niya. Ayaw niya lang tayong diretsahin. No? Ayaw niya lang tayong diretsahin. Dahil hindi niya rin pwedeng diretsahin eh. Kasi nga parang ano yan eh. Chess game yan eh. Nag-iintayan sila ng moves. Okay? So, with that, no? Prep. Start prepping. So, yung palagi tinatanong sa mga preppers, no? When do I start prepping? The answer is yesterday.